I live in Northwest Baltimore. The amazing thing is I get pulled over. That's the amazing thing.
Northwest Baltimore.
But when I went past the little,
is that like towards
The tolls.
there's no toll. When I went past the what do you call the radar detector? The picture taking.
Oh yeah, the little thing
evil device, the Big Brother device that.
You were going 55 miles per hour. You were going
Well,
72
like
miles per
I was
hour.
looking at it because they always take a picture of your backside. This time I'm going backward. So I was like, hey, yeah. I'm like, right at you, buddy. You know? I hate that thing. So I'm going to tell you right now, anytime you drive by one of those things, I want you to have rocks in your car and throw rocks at it. They won't know who did it. They're not going to. They can't take a picture if you're throwing rocks. They can only take a picture if you're going too fast. So you're going to drive 55 by the thing and throw rocks at it until it's all busted up. Right? Everybody do this for me.
Would that be damage of public property?
I don't care. They damaged my public property. No, it's damage of city property. They damaged my public property by taking my money whenever there was no cop there to pull me over. Right? This whole thing's illegal. They're not. No, I'm serious. The whole thing's illegal. Not constitutional.
Not constitutional.
But until somebody does something about it.
Yeah, there's like a lot of like, isn't there necessary an elastic clause in the Constitution that allows like a lot of the powers Congress has that isn't supposed to?
Congress came out with some dope.
City Council.
Yeah. It's proper crap.
Did you get a ticket? Is that the reason you're so sour?
I got more than one.
I don't pay.
Hell no. Because somebody is eventually gonna.
Do you go to court there?
Yeah, don't you get like court dates? Like, you get subpoenaed?
No.
I go to
Aren't you
No,
afraid?
they know they can't do it. They know they won't win. They won't dare take it to court. They won't dare take it to court.
What are we talking about?
They'll keep saying, "Well, you got to pay more now." Well, too bad. I'm not gonna pay it.
Tickets.
They'll never take it to court over the things.
What if you were Spanish?
That's a joke.
It's supposed to be.
Rodriguez.
It's supposed to be a joke about
You'll be, like,
minorities.
Back in your country already.
I missed that joke.
You won't get deported?
Yeah,
You
me.
get support for anything.
What? You get deported for anything?
Yeah, probably.
So
Don't take it literally.
Anyway, you'll never get taken to court for those
so
things
I can get
because they won't
deported
win.
back to Africa.
I don't
We'll get a good
know.
lawyer, and he's going to take up the chain and fight this thing constitutionally, and it's going to fall. So they won't do it because they make too much money off of it. They won't dare take it to court.
I don't know. That sounds pretty risky. You're running the gambit. You're gonna
Alright, I'm running the gambit then.
Like 5 years from now, you're gonna be in the Supreme Court.
America's on my side, though.
America's on my side.
Right? You guys are on my side, right? You know it's illegal, yeah?
They're gonna have to have ruling about this.
All right. Let's do that. You gotta throw rocks at it though. You gotta get it back a little bit.
It's gonna be Allen versus.
Yeah. A plus. A plus.
Are you ready or?
All right, so that's it. Let me now tell you what's on the exam. In not so much detail.
How do you do 55 miles per hour?
It's not easy.
They did it in
I get like 3 hours for you
Really?
before class starts.
Yeah. Brian O'Connor did that. Yeah, he did it. He went backwards on the freeway.
Basically, you have the whole function. Now all you have to do is. I still don't.
That's all fake.
Wait, that's
Yeah.
okay.
They just make the camera look like usually sitting stationary. It has like pictures of my window.
The maximum minimal is.
Yeah. He passed my phone.
I mean, right now all you're doing is plugging in.
All right, so there's one from each section, like before.
And 2 points that are not derivative. Remind me again.
Except it only gives the same
This
question.
wait, this one and this one.
Two more questions.
Wait, what's wrong with this one?
7.
You said, can you say it again?
10.
What?
It's always 10.
10 questions.
Okay.
With
there's 3 from 4.7?
Yeah, that's right. 3 from 4.7. So it's weighted heavily
That was a
on
hard
the
one.
Habital's rule.
Oh,
On the what? No, too late. So,
3.
from 4.8.
so. No, it's too late.
I'll throw 2 rocks.
Did you say 2 or 3?
3 altogether, 4.7. Each one of them is a different indeterminate form, right? Each one is a different indeterminate form. Let me see what else. Is that clear? That's okay so far? Well, that's okay, but you understand what I'm saying, right? So everything else has 1.
How does everything else have 1? There's 10 questions and 3 are from 4.
There's 8 sections, right? So you get 1 from each section, and then an extra 2
I can
from
write 7, I can think of those
4.7.
things, yeah.
You said 3. You said
Yeah,
3
there's
from
3.
4.
That's 2 extra.
No, there's
There's
3
8
for
sections.
4.7.
Yeah, so there's 10. Oh, okay.
Just think about it for a quick second. You'll get it.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Can you tell us which question to look for?
I was thinking about last chapter moves type thing.
Just give it to us.
Alright, but that's basically it.
You did everything. All you're doing is plugging in your.
The optimization problems will go no further than number 17. 17, 1 through 17. It's coming from, or let me say this
What do you
way,
say?
5
4
through
through
17. 5
I
through
don't.
17.
I can't hear him.
It's one of those problems. And we'll go no further than number 17 in section 4.4 question. That's not as many to practice. 4.6, you need to know the conditions of rolls and mean value theorem. You need to know the conditions for them.
Wait.
Yeah,
Conditions
4.6,
of-
you need to memorize the conditions for rolls and mean value theorem when they apply, not just how to apply it.
Conditions
The
of
conditions of rolls and mean value theorem.
That was 4.6?
Right. You need to memorize the conditions for both those theorems.
Where do we look? In the book.
Page 2.
I'm like the problems.
Oh, the problems?
what?
Yeah.
Value theorem?
7 to 22.
Okay.
Oh, sweet.
Wait, what about 4.7?
4.7.
Yeah, you said there were 3, but
There are 3. Each one is a different type of indeterminate form.
practice on the
It's
book.
13. It's 13 through 48.
Okay.
Yeah, there's more. There's more there. And again, from section 4.8, it is not just do an antiderivative. It is of the kind from 39 through 48. Right? It's a particular kind where you have the condition to plug in and find C.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, we'll just do this. No big deal. You saw
4.5.
4.5. What's 4.5? Linear approximations. 4.5. The most basic problem, just 7 to 12. Just know how to do that. Know how to do the most basic problem, 7 to 12.
Okay.
Don't worry about more complicated.
4.3.
4.3 is the graphing, is that correct?
Yup.
4.3 is the graphing.
It's 4.1,
And-
4.2, 4.3. It's gonna be switched together, where it's gonna be in succession, where you would have.
Succession, yeah.
Okay.
Succession, like previous steps.
Practice problems for 4.3.
4.3,
Yeah.
you should know how to graph the type 9 through 20. Don't worry about the 21 through 32 more complicated functions. It's a standard polynomial or rational function 9 through 20. That's what you should be able to handle.
And 4.2.
4.2.
4.4.
No, I said,
was the optimization.
you know,
Say problem.
I said, yeah, like 517, 517, yeah.
Huh?
So 4.1 and 4.2. 4.1 will be applying the,
Isn't it the something Moller's theorems?
no, that's what you said there.
It's absolute extreme value.
It's the critical
extreme value
point.
theorem,
The critical point stuff.
I think extreme absolute, yeah. Extreme value theorem. You should be able to apply extreme value theorem to a function on a certain interval. Okay? So that includes finding critical points and finding maximums.
Practice problems.